Hi, I'm Elise for Hamilton Beach. Breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day, but it's also the one that's most often skipped. Rushed mornings don't leave much time for preparing breakfast. That's where the dual breakfast sandwich maker comes in. Drive-thrus in the frozen food aisle offer easy breakfast sandwiches, but those can have questionable ingredients, so you're never quite sure what you're getting. Now, with the dual breakfast sandwich maker, you can make 2 of your favorite sandwiches with your own fresh ingredients at home even faster. It's great for families because everyone can have a custom sandwich in minutes. Just choose the bread you love, English muffin, biscuit, bagel, or even pancakes. Then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plates out, and you'll have 2 hot, toasty, perfectly assembled breakfast sandwiches ready to eat or take on the go. Cleanup is easy too. All the removable parts can go in the dishwasher, and the cooking surfaces are non-stick. It's the perfectly simple way to make 2 delicious and nutritious breakfast sandwiches. Now that's good thinking.
The Eisler Panini Maker was designed with functionality and appearance in mind. It brings the user consistent and impressive performance through utilizing modern technology. The 3-in-1 multifunctional Panini Maker makes it possible to prepare a variety of foods such as burgers, steaks, sandwiches, paninis, vegetables, and more. It features a non-stick coating and can open 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Its versatile design allows you to grill a variety of meats like beef, chicken, and much more. Cook healthier and with less grease. As you cook, the grease is safely collected. Easily control the temperature. Start grilling within 3 to 5 minutes. It has great portability as the power cord can be stored in the base, making the unit easy to store. Setting up your product. First, unbox the product and check for any missing accessories. Second, wipe down the non-stick plates with a clean, warm, wet cloth. Third, dry the plates. Fourth, plug in the panini maker. Fifth, prior to grilling, wipe the non-stick plates with butter or the cooking oil of your choice. Sixth, place your food on the panini maker and either press it or grill it. Seventh, when done cooking, leave open, unplug, and let cool in a safe place. Eighth, store in a dry place or in the product packaging. Get ready for simple and delicious meals made possible with Eisler.